we are going into the idea of sampling, which is right here. We want to understand it. And this diagram kind of talks about everything we've been talking about and what we want to talk about in this video. Now, we say that what is the population? We say the population is the entire group of individuals that your study is interested in, okay? Or that you want to study. Entire group of individuals or objects, the entire group. Remember to say that. Of individuals or objects that the study is focused on. Simple, it is the part of the population from which data is going to be collected from, okay? Or a subset or a smaller group of the population chosen to collect data from. Now, that is the sample. Look at it. This is the entire population. We come into the population and choose a part. That is the sample, okay? We may not choose it like this. We can choose one here, one there, whatever. But we choose from the population. That is where we are going to choose a smaller group. So it is a smaller group chosen from the population, okay? Chosen to collect data from it, okay? Good. Now, sampling is this is choosing or selecting the group that you're going to collect data from. So when I'm sampling, I'm simply selecting a group from the population that I want to work with. We're going to learn the 4 methods of sampling. But now here we see again these words that we've been talking about, which is descriptive statistics and inferential statistics. So we've talked about population, sample. We want to see inferential and descriptive. So descriptive statistics, basically, we said it is collecting, organizing, and analyzing data from a sample, no drawing conclusions. Inferential statistics then draws conclusions. It uses descriptive statistics. So these are not two branches that fight. No, you start with descriptive statistics. And using descriptive statistics, you then go on to inferential statistics. So inferential statistics uses the results from descriptive statistics to then draw conclusions. So it has its own methods of then using those results to draw meaningful conclusions. So inferential statistics then uses the data collected and whatever from descriptive statistics to then draw conclusions about the entire population. Okay, about the entire population. All right, so here it uses this sample to draw conclusions about the population. Descriptive statistics can now be described with whatever. Okay, now it doesn't talk about descriptive, but anyway, here what they're saying it is the reason we do this is it's very hard for you to come to this whole population and start collecting data. That'll be a lot. So because of that, we work on a sample, then we use it to then talk about the whole group. Now, this is it for this diagram. Let's now go on and look at sampling, all right? Sampling, right? I'll be as fast as I can, or we'll talk about it in the next video. Goodbye for now.